guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing well today. This is video number 1 for this week, and I promise you are going to love it. Today we're going to be discussing Launchpool and how to make a lot of money in crypto without losing your initial investment. This is going to be fun, guys. Stay with me. But before we dive deep into this, guys, if you're seeing our video for the first time, please, guys, smash that subscribe button. You're welcome. We have loads of content in this community that you will love to see. They are educative content, right? And we are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. We're currently at 3,000. It will be wonderful to be part of this community. We are building something amazing here. So welcome, guys. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So what exactly is a launch pool, and how can you actually invest money into this without losing your money? I mean, the most scary thing in cryptocurrency is investing a lot of money in a particular token, either in the spot or futures trade, and losing your investment. But with Launchpool system of investment, you are set to make a lot of money without losing your initial investment. So what exactly is a Launchpool? A crypto Launchpool is a platform that helps new cryptocurrency projects raise funds and gain visibility. It's like a launch pad for crypto startups, although there are launch pads and there are launch pools, and there is a bit of a difference between these two stuffs. Now, imagine you have a great idea for a new cryptocurrency, but you need money to develop it. So crypto launch pool connects you with investors who might be interested in supporting your project. Yeah, so to explain this, to break this down to you in a very simpler way, you can say, imagine you have a lemonade stand and you want to make it bigger and better, but you need money to buy more lemons, sugar, and probably cups. Now, crypto launch pool is like a special place where you can tell people about your lemonade stand and then ask for help. You show them your plans, and if they like it, they might give you money to help you grow your stand. In returns, you give them some of your special lemonade stand tokens. These tokens might be worth more money later if your lemonade becomes super popular. So we can say that crypto launch pool helps people with big ideas like your lemonade stand connect with people who might want to help them grow, and then that's people that might want to help them grow can be someone like you and myself. I hope this makes sense, right? Let me know in the comment section if you now understand what Launchpool looks like. Now, there are 2 Launchpool I'm going to be using as example in this video. One is the Binance Launchpool, which I have been part of for a while. And then we have the Bybit Launchpool, which I have not really used as much, right? But before we get to that, let me help you understand how to make money from Launchpool. So Launchpool offers various ways to earn money depending on the specific platform and project. So you can make money through staking and farming. By staking, we mean locking your tokens in a staking pool to earn rewards, such as additional token or a share of a platform's fee. And for farming, you can provide liquidity to a project's pool and earn rewards such as tokens or fees. And at times, I think Bybit has an affiliate, or you can call it a referral system, which you invite your friends to join a launch pool and then earn rewards or commission for a successful referral. So these are ways you can actually make money on launch pools. Now, I'm going to be showing you on this page how I have made money using the Binance Launchpool. As you can see, the latest one I did was usual, which I got let's see. 43 users by staking my FDUSD, and I also got 0.9 usual by staking my BNB coin. And I also participated in the Scroll as well. Scroll is a project that I think it's very interesting. I made about 5 scroll from my FDUSD pool, and I made about 0.1 on my BNB pool. So I did the same for Hamster, I did for Catty, and many other. I did for dogs, I did for ton, and I think I got 1 ton from my FDUSD pool, and I got about 0.02 for my BNB, and that's because I have not invested a lot of my BNB coin to the Launchpool. The truth is that you can make money with a Launchpool for real, right? But you also need a lot of liquidity to be able to do that. On Binance Launchpool, you can make good money if you have, let's say, a capital of about maybe 3,000 to 4,000 FUSD, or you have about 10 and upwards BNB. Then you can actually stake this amount of money and get your good returns. Another very positive thing here is that you are not going to lose your money. Each time I stake my token, I am able to withdraw them back at any time that I want to get out of it. Currently, Binance doesn't have any upcoming launch pool as for now, but I'm sure over some days or some weeks or some months, they can just come up with another launch pool. And I normally turn on my notification to ensure that I get alerted each time Binance has a launch pool in the making. So this is the Bybit exchange, and to get to the launch pool, you just click on more, and it naturally loads all the features that they have on Bybit. And then if you go down a bit, you get to see the launch pool here, and then you click on the launch pool, and this is their launch pool page. They are currently doing a launch pool for a particular token, and all you need to do is to stake that token, stake a mint pool, stake USDT, and then you get a reward in that token for participating in the launch pool. So they have this Synth Futures F, is a leading decentralized exchange DEX for full stack financial infrastructure, blah 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 blah. So it's currently an ongoing launch pool on the Bybit page. And if you stake mint pool, or you stake in the mint pool or the USDT pool, you get rewarded for staking. You also have a couple of others that is coming soon, like the Sion, or what have you. They have those that have ended, like the Mofo. They have Major, which has also ended. They have Trust, which has also ended, and so many more. But yeah, like I said, I have not really used the Binance launch pool before for whatsoever reasons, but you can go ahead and use it, and let us know how you feel about it in the comment section. Yeah, but for the Binance launch pool that I've used, I've made a considerable amount of money from each and every of the launch pool that I've participated in. For usual, which is the most recent one, I think I got 45 plus usual, and it's currently about at about $15 right now. Now the caveat with Launchpool is that if you are staking a minimal amount, yes, you will get rewarded for it, but it might not be as much as you want. And at times, what I do is I hold on to many of these tokens that have been part of the launch pool, that I've staked for. I hold on to those tokens while some of them goes down massively and maybe later come up a bit better, and at times some of them also go up, like the current one, which is the usual. I've not sold it, and it has gone from about $10 when I got the reward to almost $16 right now. So this is how these things works. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Let me know if you have tried a launch pool before, and let us know in the comment section if you really understand what Launchpool is and if you will be investing in Launchpool. You can invest with a small amount, and you can also invest with a big amount. the bigger the amount that you've invested or you've staked in the Launchpool, the more the reward you are going to gain. Now, as you can see on this Binance Launch, we see that a lot of people actually staked token for each and every of these Launchpool. For the usual, we have about 95,000 plus participants who logged their FUSD, and about 1 billion FUSD dollars is staked for usual. While the BNB, we have more than 1 million participants on Binance alone, and we have about 18 million plus BNB that was logged for the usual Launchpool. You can see that is a massive amount of money. So guys, this is what it is, and according to Binance Launchpool, they have done 99 projects. That means they have launched 99 projects on the Binance Launchpool. So guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to try it out. Big up yourselves. If you've watched this video this long, guys, thank you for that. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible, and smash that subscribe button as well. Let's help us grow from the 3,000 subscribers that we have right now. We are very close to 4,000 guys, and help us get to 10,000. That is our target. So guys, big up yourselves, big up your damn selves. Take good care of yourself. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Peace.